All right, welcome everybody. You get me on a Sunday, straight home from church. Got the church clothes on, got the hair did, no hat today. Got the beard looking all nice and full, ready to talk to you guys, make a video, tell you about something different, do something different today. And you know, I got my coffee right here. I got the coffee. It's still a warm coffee from church, actually, and that coffee's pretty good. It's always nice when somebody else makes the coffee for you, right? So we'll start that off. We got the Bang energy drink, and you know, I like to have my caffeine and my energy, so we'll get a chug of that. We'll get a chug of the coffee, and we'll get into Faithfully Bearded Sunday Edition. This is I guess a follow-up to the international series, right? So we're doing like this new series exposing all you people and followers and all the companies to a international company. So when I decided I wanted to start that, it actually came from finding this company by happenstance. I found this company because I used the hashtag Manmane. So I was messing around and I ended up coming across Manmane Company. And this company is out of the UK. So I was like, I gotta try it out. I have to. I mean, it's destiny, right? They say Manmane Botanicals is their company. I use the hashtag Manmane on all my posts and videos and everything I do. So I was like, this is destiny. We're gonna try out the Manmane Botanicals company and see what they have to offer. So I ordered some up. I did an unboxing last weekend, I believe, for Manmane. I tried them out last weekend, and then I had a different company in the States that I reviewed, or tried and reviewed this week, Monday through Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, this weekend again. I've been trying out the Manmane Botanicals company. So I've had it in beard for 4 days over the last 2 weeks. So I feel like I have enough knowledge to be able to bring you guys a review and go out there and explore the United Kingdom world. So hopefully this helps them out over in the UK. Hopefully it exposes you guys to more Manmane stuff, and let's dig into it. So hit that subscribe button if you're not. Welcome all you United Kingdom people. Join in. Welcome to the community. There's a wonderful community on Instagram for beards, and we're bringing our wives in, we're bringing our kids in. We're trying to make it family oriented. You know, here on my channel, everything we do is through faith and God, and a lot of them are like that. We're seeing more posts about Bang energy drink first and foremost, I guess, because everybody's tagging me in all their Bang Instagrams, which is cool. I'm not a spokesperson for Bang, although I probably should be, as many people as I've exposed to the Bang energy drink. But we're exposing people to faith. We're starting to see more faith posts as well. We're bringing more wives and children in, so gather the family up, come and join, and watch the channel. We do unboxings, we do reviews, we do live streams, giveaways, charity work, so all you people over in the UK, welcome. We're glad to have you. I've talked to a couple of you, but hopefully this will bring more of you guys in, see what kind of beard community we have in the States, and just know, you are welcome with open arms. So grab a coffee, grab a tea if you would like, grab your Bang, watch the intro, hit that subscribe, that like, and the bell so you're notified when I come out with new videos, especially you UK people, because I might drop a video at midnight your time. Who knows? There's a 7-hour time difference over here, so we're going to see how it all works out for you guys, and hopefully I make a couple friends and bring a couple people into the community. That's what I'm pumped up about. So watch the intro and let's get into this. All right. So I've spent, like I said before the intro, I spent 4 days with Manmane. I had to try him out. The hashtag, the name, it just all went hand in hand. And so I guess just starting, you know, we got a package from them. I unboxed it, so there's a video on that. There's some paperwork that comes with it, and it kind of tells you about, you know, it's personalized to you. They thank you. They talk about their balms, their mustache wax, how you can keep them fresher, longer, how to do it, apply it, and I mean, that's kind of interesting. Not a ton of companies do that I've seen, but it's kind of nice to have here. They also go into how to style your beard. There's a promo code on here that's only, it's only valid until the end of this month. So it's Bunny20. It's going to give you 20% off Manmane branded products. Now they go past beard oil and beard balm. They have like perfumes, colognes, soaps, skincare stuff. So mustache waxes, tattoo balms. So they go into that. I didn't order any of that because it's a beard channel. I was just sticking to the beard stuff, especially, you know, I had intended to do this just as the international series, but when I did the unboxing, I actually talked with Manmane, and, you know, I was like, well, you know what? I'm going to shoot a review video for you after I try it. Just give me some time to actually put it in my beard, try it out, make sure that I'm giving you an accurate review rather than just saying, oh, I unboxed it and a day later I'm doing a review. So I like to make sure I can wear it at least 2 to 4 days before I feel comfortable enough to say something about it. And this I wore for 4 days. So I feel like I have enough experience with Manmane to talk about it. I got to wear a few of the scents. I didn't get to wear them all. I ordered like 5 if you watch the unboxing video. So so there's that. So I didn't get to wear all the scents. I picked my favorites out of it. So first and foremost, let's just look at their logo here. I love the logo. It says Manmane. The tins for the balms are nice like this. You got the same logo up on the beard oil here. See if I can get it to where the light's not reflecting. You got a clear bottle with the clear label with their logo, and then a gold oil. So the oils, we'll just start here with the oils. So castor oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, argan oil, and vitamin E oil, also known as tocopherol. I just like saying that word, really. I'm not even going to go into the other names for like castor oil and sweet almond oil. They're like the scientific names. I'm just like, nope, let's just stick with castor, sweet almond, jojoba, avocado, argan oil, and vitamin E oil because whew, I'm not a scientist. I can't say that stuff. So here you go with, you got a nice, let me just clear this out just to show you. I feel like the dropper is really squishy, like firm. And so there you go, 3/4 of a dropper full with that. So this one here is Aromatic Bazaar. And this would be, I would say, number 2 on my list of my favorite scents. So I wore that a couple days. And then I wore Citrus Grove. I don't know why I didn't take it off my display. I wore Citrus Grove. Just gives you a really nice citrus scent. Again, same thing, 100%. These are natural, organic, and vegan. They say vegan on their website. So for all you veganites out there, the oils and balms are vegan. So you got a nice feeling beer with the oil. I don't feel like I had to adjust my quantities or anything like that. I used it, I put it in as normal, styled it up, let it sit for a little bit. I came back with the balms. Followed it up with the balm. As you can see here, the balm is like, it's that softer type balm. So you got my patented streak down there, the way I like to scoop it out. And so you have, it's a softer balm. Like I can go like just watch my finger here and I can push into it. So it's borderline butter. Like this wouldn't be like a whipped butter, but it would be, it's a very moisturizing balm. And I don't feel like it has a too terrible ton of hold to it. And so a lighter hold, moisturizing balm. So, I mean, first you're going to have in here, yeah, you got oils. So let's see, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil. So it's a little bit down the list before you get to any like hold type of stuff like waxes or anything like that. Mostly, yeah, I mean, first things first, you have, let's see, castor oil and then jojoba oil. Again, I'm referencing my computer because they have the scientific terms on here. So I'm looking down at my computer and be like, which one was that? Okay, castor oil. Okay, so I'm just using my computer to reference the scientific terms. So this is going to be, in my mind, this is a big cross between a butter and a balm. So it's going to be a lighter hold balm, lighter styling balm, but it's also going to be a very moisturizing balm. So this is something that I don't know that I would ever use again for styling and to style my beard. I'd maybe go with like an unscented paired up with their oils or something like that. But I would use this at night. So this is something different for like the butter night routine, is I would actually use this at night. I could see myself even using this like say on a lazy day where I want a little bit more hold than what a butter would give me. But I don't need to style my beard. I'm just going to kind of let it go and moisturize, give it a moisturizing thing. So maybe more like a conditioning agent for that I put in the morning and just hang out on a lazy day or a yard work day or something like that where I don't need a ton of hold or styling. That's where I would come in with this. So that's the balm. And now they do have other products. I didn't get any of them, but these will go up on my beard shelf just because they're kind of different. I don't have anything else like this. It's Manmane, so it's kind of sentimental to me a little bit. I hope that I can become friends with them. I hope that I can try other products when they come out. I would purchase from them again. I don't think the prices were bad at all. I think they're right on line with everybody else. They have a nice logo. The oil, I tend to go for castor oil, sweet almond oil, oils that are higher concentrated in those rather than jojoba oil. And so these oils hit home pretty good for me. And then the balm, I have a lot of flyaways and stuff like that, so I tend to want a heavier hold balm. And this just didn't do it for me, but it did moisturize really well, all right? So again, this can go in for butters. This can go in for lazy day, outside days, things like that where you don't necessarily need a ton of hold or want a ton of hold. But when I go to work or church or something like that, I'm going to go for something with more of a heavy hold. So that's kind of what I think about Manmane. They've been a pleasure to do business with. The shipping was pretty quick for coming overseas. The company's been a pleasure to talk to. Like, I didn't talk to them until I actually released my unboxing videos, and then they hit me up on Instagram because I tagged them in my Instagram. And so we've chatted back and forth a little bit. They're now jumping into like Instagram live streams and YouTube lives. And keep in mind, when we do our YouTubes at, 6, 7 o'clock at night, that's 1, 2 in the morning over there. So he's up late and he's joining in the community and being present in the stuff that we're doing. And I appreciate that. So hopefully that'll bring some UK people in, and it'll share the love for a UK company to the Americans and to whoever else is watching this. And so we can all intertwine, and our bearded community doesn't have to be just the United States. We got Canadians in it. We got Mexicans in it. I know we got some UK people in it. So let's just keep opening our arms and bringing as many different countries and people as we can. My only request is that you bring your wives, you bring your girlfriends, you bring your children, and we grow this community in every way we can. So get them to participate, get them to follow me, to follow Maddie, and you'll see her doing Instagram Lives. Come in, say hey, and realize we're here for more than just doing reviews. We're here to spread the word. We're here to spread love, to help people out when they're down, and we're here on a mission to show and be whatever God needs us to be. So we're working however God wants us to work, whatever's heavy on our hearts at those times. And so we just first and foremost say appreciate all of you guys for the love, the support, the subscriptions. We're growing the channel. We're getting somewhere. We're starting to make an influence. I'm starting to see other people talking about bringing their wives and kids and this community aspect. I've heard other people lately saying that the community's in the best place it's been. And I think a lot of that's due to opening our arms. A lot of that's due to God. And a lot of that's due just to staying positive and bringing more people in and welcoming them and getting these companies to realize this is all art and we can appreciate art. So you be who you are, be what your mission is. And if you don't know what your mission is, have a heart-to-heart with yourself and figure out, what is my mission in life and this community? And then go out and execute, right? So this is our mission right now, is to help everybody be who they are, support them in that, bring more people into the community, grow the community, and make something special out of this. So we saw somebody at church today. It was their first day at church. He had a nice big old beard. He started talking about it's his first time there. We welcome him. We welcome him, asked him about Instagram, said come join our community. We want to get you into bearding and just more brotherhood. You never have enough friends and people to support you when times are tough or when times are going great, to spread the love. So bring your friends, bring your family, grab your tea or bang, get your coffee, stroke your Manmane, and go check out Manmane. Follow me on Instagram, like this video, and spread the word. Until next time, everybody, God bless you all.